Now I'm showing you a time lapse starting at 2:15, and then watch the clouds and watch the rain come right at you right here. Whoa, that was right into Boston. That was the line that's been moving through, and now we're seeing the breaking clouds off to the west and the brighter skies start to try to move in. There you see the breaks showing up. All right, that takes us to radar, where the last of the showers are now in eastern Mass. They're moving very quickly, so this main batch will be offshore and partial clearing ready to move in. We're 59. Boston was just starting to cool down at 4 o'clock. The wind has shifted to the west. Front has come through. Now we have these strong winds. And the winds are going to remain strong tonight and most of tomorrow, but the very strongest core of winds will be overnight, so we have a wind advisory until 8 a.m. Now, these are the wind gusts by late tomorrow, but by that, or rather, these are the wind gusts to expect this evening. And then you see they ramp up even stronger tonight. Some gusts could exceed 40 miles per hour as the colder air funnels in. So that's how it's going to play out. It'll be a windy day tomorrow, but a much, much brighter day. Now, our temperatures are cooling off to the west quite steadily now as the colder air starts to move in. It is chilly across the Great Lakes. So gusty winds with partial clearing coming in, 38 to 42 late tonight, even a little bit colder perhaps in the higher elevations of Worcester County. Mostly sunny tomorrow, windy day. It will not feel quite as mild as the temperatures will reach because of the wind, but it certainly will be a pretty decent day overall, except for those gusty winds. All right, after that, we're fine on Wednesday with light winds and sunshine. Should be a very pleasant day. Clouds, though, on Thursday. We could begin to get into a bit of rain on Friday, but it looks like the main rain area will be slow to move in from the west. So right now, perhaps Saturday could be the time period that's wet. The timing of the rain over the weekend may have to get adjusted some, as it'll be a slow-moving system that then should exit later in the weekend and early next week.